Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go! We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going! Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere! Sound effects are all over the place! Let's talk about sound effects! And today's sound effect we're going to talk about is the alternative farting sound effect from Star Night, and the character is IRL Noella. Hi guys, IRL Noella here, and today I am going to be talking about the alternative farting sound effect from Star Night. It's from a video called The Doll, #GetYourFart. It was uploaded 2 months ago on July 12th, 2025. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 7 to 19. This one to this one. It sounded like Omarashi Freak's farting sound effect, which I talked about in Season 3, Episode 5, and also her previous farting sound effect, which I talked about in Season 2, Episode 6. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning, and the peeing on grass sound effect will be removed at the end. Now, let's preview this sound effect to see what it sounds like. It sounds like this. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my OCs and characters when they poop in the toilet. Remember kids, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Star Night before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description below. The sound effect starts at 007 and ends at 019. Make sure you remove the lofi music at the beginning and the peeing on grass sound effect at the end, okay? I'll probably feature some characters in a few more episodes, so I will see you later in the next episode, I guess.